hydrangeas have become super popular, especially in my area, because you can plant them in the full sun. You can see where I am right now. They're out in the bright, open sun, and they're blooming wonderfully. But did you know that there is a dwarf version of the limelight hydrangea? Here it is. It's called Little Lime. Easy to remember, and it grows between 3 and 5 feet, whereas the standard limelight hydrangea reaches 6 to 8 feet. So depending on the situation that you have at your house, you can choose one of the limelights that works well for you. Remember, you want to put the right plant in the right place right from the start so it can grow to its full potential without ever having to really mess with it or trim it. So if you have a place that needs to max out at 3 to 5 feet, Little Lime is for you. And if you need one that gets to be 6 to 8 feet, the standard limelight hydrangea is for you.